Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Minecraft launcher is currently not available in your account error 0x803f8001 here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that we need to do is we need to open any of our browser that is present in our Windows, okay? Just have to bring up your favorite browser. It could be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, sorry, or Opera Mini, or whatever browser that you have installed in your Windows, okay? So once you are being redirected to the browser itself, at the button search bar or at the search bar itself, sorry, you need to type for Minecraft, okay, download for Windows, okay? Just have to type it here at the search bar for Windows. Okay. So the moment you've typed that, click on enter to proceed and wait until you are being redirected to the list of results. Okay. So here you need to proceed to the third result, which is under the up to down, website. Just have to click this link to proceed. Okay, so you are being redirected actually the moment you have to click on it to the Minecraft application itself, where you can see there it garnered a lot of stars. In fact, it has 4.5 stars, and a lot of users have reviewed it. It has 1,602 reviews, and in fact, it also garnered 129.6 million downloads here in this website. Okay, just have to scroll down and look for this. Get the latest version. Click this link to get the latest version of this Minecraft application. And once you have to click on it, you need to scroll down and look for this. Okay, just have to wait until this will be ready for us. Okay, so in fact, it has this only 32.23 megabyte size, which is good, which on it only consumes a lesser space in our Windows. Click on it once you have find it, and just have to wait until you are being redirected here. Okay, so it's not starting to download. Okay, just have to wait until it will be started. Okay, then click again if you are not being redirected. Okay, so I can see you are being redirected here. Okay, so just have to wait until this will be done. Okay, and just have to wait until it will be finished downloading, and let us install this once it will be downloaded in our Windows. Okay. Okay, so once it is being downloaded, just have to click this arrow icon to proceed. And if you are not being redirected to the window where you can install this Minecraft, just have to close this browser and you need to open your file explorer. Simply open it. Okay. And here you need to proceed on downloads. Click on it. Okay. And just have to double tap this. Okay. And then click on install. Just have to click this. I have read and accept the Microsoft software license terms first and then click on install and wait until the installation will be done. Okay. So the Windows is updating. You can use this. Okay. So just have to close this file explorer so that you can focus on this. Okay. So just have to wait until this Windows is updating will be done. And you can now use this Minecraft launcher, okay, in your Windows or computer. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and enjoy playing this Microsoft Minecraft launcher. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.